Since 1970, April 22nd has been designated as Earth Day to help raise awareness of the impacts mankind's activities have on the planet and the environment. The theme for Earth Day 2021 is Restore Our Earth, and is intended to serve as a call to action for people across the globe to do what they can to restore the world's ecosystems. As the Marine Corps' premier Fleet Marine Force training base on the West Coast, Camp Pendleton covers approximately 125,000 acres, with more than 17 miles of coastline. Camp Pendleton's Environmental Security Office is responsible for ensuring Marines can train to win the nation's battles while protecting the environment and safeguarding the natural beauty of the base. From beach cleanups to water quality improvement, Camp Pendleton has some of the most robust environmental and wildlife conservation programs in the Department of Defense. Stay tuned over the next few weeks as we highlight the various programs aboard Camp Pendleton designed to protect and restore the environment.